What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the 06. We're going to be swapping out these standard mirrors here for a set of these tow mirrors. Let's get started. From what I can tell, this install is not too hard. You got to get a T40 from out behind the handle. Got a Phillips head screw up here, Phillips head screw there, and two down below. Unhook that panel. Should be pretty easy. Make sure we didn't miss anything. It's the heated plug for the power mirror. Controls the defrost and the power controls left, right, up, and down. These are not power folding, unfortunately. Looks to be 110mm there, one there, this one out here. Probably be smart to do this with the window down, that way I could reach through it, hold the mirror in place. Old mirror off. See, inside it's got this gasket. You want to make sure that you either put a new one on or reuse this one. If not, as soon as it rains, you're going to get water in the door. What you're going to do is line up those 3 studs, go back through the same holes. Make sure you don't have any dirt or anything up there. Matter of fact, let's get a paper towel and clean that up. Once you got it in there, get your top bolt started. That'll hold it in place. Now it's just reverse same process as taking it off. Power clip hooked up. Don't forget, these mirrors are plastic with metal studs in them. If you over torque them, it will strip them out. Get your handle back started.
Shit, you already got one of them on here, Jason.
Yeah. Oh no. No matter how many times you try to film a video,
Like that,
somebody or something is going to walk into it.
Hi.
Got that back working. Door locks work. Now let's take a look at the finished product. Got it on there. Seams line up really tight. Let's do the second one. That's going to wrap up that install. Much better. We're ready to tow the boat and camper and everything else this season.